Records on the index, greed at 67 on the sentiment dial. Natural gas spiked 8.2%. The Strait of Hormuz still shut. And the quietest Monday of the year was the calmest, because everyone is waiting for the same 48 hours that decides the week. Force 1. Wednesday afternoon at 2:30 New York time, Jay Powell holds his last press conference as Fed chair. The two-year auction yesterday cleared 12 basis points below prior. Bond buyers stepped in pre-Powell. The market is positioned for neutral to dovish. Brent at 101 and natural gas up 8% in a single session puts the supply shock into the next chair's lap. Push the 10-year through 4.45 and the multiple compresses. The dollar bids. Gold gives back the geopolitical premium. Hedge funds already cut technology at the third largest weekly pace in 5 years. The professional book is positioned, the crowd is not. Force 2, $16 trillion of market capitalization prints inside 96 hours. Microsoft, Meta, Google, and Amazon all report Wednesday after the bell. Apple Thursday after the bell. The implied moves are 6 to 8% on each name. Wednesday is the busiest single earnings day of the decade. The institutions read the receipts on Monday. Nvidia took 896 algorithmic dark pool orders for $2.39 billion. Micron added 525 orders for $1.36 billion. Same pattern across every name. Conviction with insurance. They built the long and paid for puts within hours of each other. That structure is the read. Force 3. The C lane is still shut. WTI added 2.42% to 96.68. Brent settled 101.91. Natural gas printed the largest single-session move on the entire commodity board. European storage at 42% capacity into injection season. Cape rerouting adds 3 to 4 weeks per voyage. The geopolitical premium concentrates in Brent. WTI is stalling at 97 as the demand destruction narrative wins. Gold held above 4,700 all session. 6 contradictions stacked on the same chart. Sentiment in greed at 67, while Nasdaq put to call open interest sits at 1.55. Nvidia and Micron taking algorithmic accumulation in the same week professional money cut technology at 5-year extreme pace. Retail bulls jumping 14 points in 7 days, while only 47% of issues advanced on the record session. Front-end volatility pinned for 1 week while the back-end refuses to come in. Crude up 2.4% while the energy sector closed red. Bitcoin rejected at 80,000 and dumped to 76,900 while the index printed records. 3 high, 3 moderate, 0 low. Each one points the same direction. 3 opportunities distilled. 1. Nvidia long with a paid hedge. Day 3 of an accumulated algorithmic campaign. Standard size. Stop below 211. 2. The defensive rotation pair. Long utilities, short small caps against it. 7 independent layers agree. The pair strips out direction and isolates the breadth failure. Carry through Powell. 3. Gold above 46.50. 3 independent legs. Dovish Powell helps. Hormuz holds the bid. Defensive rotation feeds it, pays in every scenario this week. Risk score sits around 65%. 3 concurrent macro events on the same 5-day calendar. Records on the index with breadth failure under it. Put flow loaded at extreme multiples on the names reporting Wednesday. The thesis for this week is one sentence. The institutions bought what they wanted to own and insured it at the same time. Copy the structure, not the direction alone. The structure. Educational analysis only, not financial advice. Always manage your risk.